Hey YouTubers, JDCap26 here, just do the tips and repairs and hobbies. And the one accessory you do want to get for your Grex airbrush, the side airbrush, is this little piece right here. Okay, that is an adapter that goes on the side here, and I'll show you how it goes on. You just unscrew your side cup here, and you thread this piece in like this, okay, till it bottoms out. Okay, and what do you say that you use that for? Well, you can put your Aztek paint cup on there if you want, and it gives you a good feed that way, and it's very secure. And you can also fit Iwata bottles on here that are like the Aztek, the same diameter of this part right here, the tube right there. And so all it is an adapter by Grex, and you can get that adapter from the Mary Artist, and I'll put the link below for you, and I'll give you it's called item number A as in apple, D as in dog, 31, and that's like the most important accessory you want to get for your airbrush. And I thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day, and please rate and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.